Hi everyone, welcome back to Reaction with Dear Hey Dear Carson. For the next of Sonic Boom was Season 1, Episode 48. So anyways, enjoy the video. Sonic Boom. Designated Heroes.
Dr. Eggman's really tearing into that toy and game factory. What did that
Toy and game factory?
ever do to him?
Haven't you imbeciles ever been in a covert operation? I need complete silence or we might be discovered.
Not so fast, Egghead.
Oh yes, somebody called Sonic and his friends have a situation here.
Attention! All bots, attack!
I think the viewers will agree there is nothing like watching.
Wait a second, is this a breaking news or a game news?
One always loses to the other. That's right, Orbot. So, what is Eggman's strategy here? We talked with him earlier.
I told you talking bedpans already. By robbing the village of any source of fun.
Oh yeah, it is a breaking news. Kinda looks like.
Huge fees to enjoy my new amusement park. Now get that camera out of my face!
Ooh, let's see that again in slow motion.
Very funny of slow emotions.
Oh, you hate to see that happen to promising young ball bots. Batter up! Swing and a miss.
Missed. Missed.
Swing and a miss.
Missed. What's that? Clay?
Slow sarcastic clap, slow sarcastic clap. Sorry, I do the real thing if my hands weren't, you know.
What's your problem, Eggman? You're letting all the air out of our victory.
Some victory.
Yeah, what's your problem?
Just one. If you want to be fair, you'd only battle one-on-one from now on. That is, unless you prefer it to be unfair.
No. No.
Okay, Eggman, you got yourself a deal. In the interest of fairness, only one of us will battle you at a time. Shake?
He has no hands to shake ya. He's on a clay. Or being stuck around.
I was just thinking, that hammer of yours. Forget it. Just smash my teeth in.
No, tell me. What?
Well, it would be great for my recycling project. I take old cans and make playthings for needy robot kids. That hammer would be helpful for flattening the cans, that's all.
You recycle? And help needy kids?
You have to promise not to tell anyone. I don't want my bad name tarnished.
Well, as long as it's for a good cause.
Oh, it is! Victory, not unlike your hammer, is mine!
Ah! Just for that, I'm gonna tell everyone about your charity!
Amy's gonna do that, isn't she?
I'm picking up some bizarre alien vibrations.
Everyone, one of people's always tells somebody.
Huh?
Like everyone else.
Yeah, sure, those. They're being watched.
I knew it! Don't worry, I'm ready!
Yeah.
Wow, that was a good trap.
They're
To
picking up
Caged.
your shoe squeaks. Better take them off. Okay, I'll stay here and keep an eye on things. You run and go warn the others.
They all laughed when I said my shoes were conspiring with aliens. Who's paranoid now? Don't answer that. You'll be fine, Tails. Just look cool and Eggman will totally back off. Ah!
You okay, Tails?
Ha! You think standing in a cool pose is going to intimidate me? Say hello to a little device I call the MX4180 Electroplasmatic Capsulator.
Wait, the what? Pull it harder.
Wow! Titanium casing.
Nice.
Stabilizers? This is a thing of beauty. So what does baby do anyway?
Oh, it just
No, people could invent it of like tales of inventions stuff.
Slow down, Professor.
And here's the best part. It runs on brain power. All you have to do is put on this helmet and say something smart.
What's this do?
Someone will make them lower their guard.
Wait, what?
It froze somebody.
Oh, yeah? Well, guess what? It's about to become Eggman 3, Losers 1.
Knuckles, go stop him.
We have an agreement, one at a time. And Tails is still the designated hero. Wait your turn, Knuckles.
Knuckles, why are you staying here? You used to stop Dr. Eggman.
Well, that's my shift.
Oh wait, never mind. Take it off. It'll deactivate it.
All right, time to do some clobbering.
Well, just like that, without a warm-up? You want to pull a hammy or something?
You're right. I probably should stretch before I pound your face into the dirt.
Face it in the dirt? What?
And don't forget jumping jacks. And leg lifts. Now sit-ups. Twirl like a ballerina. Now bend the sheet of metal.
Very exercise for Knuckles. Wow. A metal airplane, like a paper airplane.
I'm warmed up. Now, how do I get out of here?
Just keep digging. You'll reach the other side eventually.
Well, you haven't steered me wrong yet. Oh, man, when I get my hands on you.
Eggman 4, losers 0.
You guys got totally schooled by Eggman.
God's a lot trickier one-on-one. He's actually pretty smart. He forgets sometimes that he's a doctor. Hey, Knuckles' shift isn't over yet. Maybe he had better luck.
I've got you now, Eggman. Oh, hey, guys.
Knuckles,
Well, I guess
you really
I need to
shouldn't
throw Sonic
supposed to
after my victory.
fight Dr. Eggman.
Hey, you guys will never believe what I found in this hole.
Dirt?
Lucky guess.
Well, all you can do is to dig dirt, and then you're nearby the restaurant of Matt Burger.
More tea, Mrs. Robinson?
What's Sonic speak like of language?
Busy day?
Huh? Oh, I sat here my whole shift. Eggman never showed, and you know why? He wasn't invited to the tea party? No, because he's totally intimidated by me.
Whatever.
Intimidated by
You're so pretty.
Sonic?
You can stay on guard duty all day.
That's a good idea. I could use a nap. See, because I won't be fighting. Not funny.
Sonic, wake up.
Oh, wait, Amy, I'm not in the mood.
Wake up!
The area of a circle is pi times its radius squared.
No, this can't be happening.
0. And this is especially delicious because da-da-da-da! I did it by manipulating your clueless friends. Go Eggman! Who's a villain? Who's a villain?
Well. Look who got captured by Eggman.
Sonic's friends, you're not gonna believe this. Dr. Eggman captured him with your piece of stuffs.
To save you, the ridicule will be more severe.
Duly noted.
All right, Eggman. You've had your fun. Now let him go.
Let me think. No!
Then you leave them no choice, Dr. Eggman.
That agreement to fight only one-on-one.
Me first. Gotta get home and wrap my burrow in tinfoil before the thought police show up.
And there's the bell.
Ha! You missed!
Didn't damage a lot, huh?
And Eggman regains the upper hand by robotizing Amy's hammer. That's heads-up play by the mustachioed
But,
father.
may I meddle?
Let me take over your shift.
Incredible escape. Surprisingly agile for a middle-aged son.
Very incredible.
Sometimes forget.
But very evil, he escaped out of it.
root of the sum of the lengths of the side square.
Man, that was shielded.
Nico, I got a better idea.
What's your idea?
Quick, say the first thing that comes to mind.
I think Eggman's mustache is just spaghetti that grows out of his face. Knuckles, tag me.
And down goes El Huevo Loco.
Woohoo! Yes!
One more
Way to
word,
go,
you
Sonic.
Take your part and put your back together blindfolded.
Even when we could only battle Eggman one at a time, we managed to work together as a
But nice
team.
going, Knuckles, with that thing on your head.
I'm the one who put Eggman in a cage. Hey guys, you accidentally left me trapped in this force field with Eggman. Guys?
Did Sonic's friends put Sonic in the cage?
1,000 bottles of liquid nitrogen on the wall, 1,000 bottles of liquid nitrogen.
But no worries, Sonic and Dr. Eggman will find their way out, probably digging, like Knuckles. However, Sonic Boom, Season 1, Episode 48, Designated Heroes. The end. So everyone, don't forget to like and subscribe, so I'll make some more videos. Before I have to go, I'll see you in my another video of Season 1 Part 2 in my second channel of Carson O'Brien 2. But except you, Fake Kyle, you're still the one who's messing with my first channel and my family, and you're still the one who's messing with my second channel and my friends. And you're the one who's still messing with the Carson. My dudes and my buddies and my friends are gonna kick your ass because they got my back. So, goodbye.